Hey guys, here we are, another Sherman Oaks property tour of this incredible remodel in the hills of Sherman Oaks. If you're looking to see what people are doing and how they're remodeling homes, you're gonna wanna check this video out. Let's go. All right guys, here we go. So this was bought in 2024 for 2.3. They remodeled it. As you can see, they did this smooth coat stucco on the outside, changed the windows. There was, I think, as I mentioned, there was a square footage change, so we gotta look at that. Metal fence all the way across, so you got a circular drive, so you can go out there and you can go out here. And then again, as far as the area, that's facing west over there, so you have sunshine in the yard in the afternoon. The 405 is just over there, and then west side that way. San Fernando Valley up there, that's north. So nice bamboo there, which is cool. Redid all the hardscape. So they've got this like stamped concrete type thing that's broken up by these like little dividers, and they did it. I mean, I've already walked the house. I think they did a good job. So they've got some like DG on the side with some olive trees, which I think gives it a clean look. It kind of interesting, almost like a little Palm Springsy style vibe. So large area here to park cars. So this is a 2-car garage. And then, you know, you could easily park 4 or 5 extra cars here, and then parking on the street anytime you want. So parking is never an issue. They did a really nice job with all these olive trees, so it just looks good. It has like kind of a Palm Springsy modern vibe. This pretty cool pivot door right here is a nice entry, and it's glass all the way through, which is cool because you kind of can't really, you can, but you don't really know what's back here. And then you look, come straight in the door, and you look straight to the view, which I can't wait to show you. So down here you've got wide plank flooring, which is, I believe it's like an engineered wood. As far as the color, I'll have to check if there's a wear layer, but it has a nice feel. Kitchen that way, living room that way, dining room on the other side, staircase going upstairs to a media room, bedrooms down the hall that way. So that's the orientation. So I'll show you from another angle, but when you walk in, that's kind of your view. Is super impressive. I don't know how wide this is. I mean, this is like 30 feet. It's crazy. Skylight, high ceilings, sitting here. This is basically your living room. Fireplace. It's got this travertine, looks like finished marble, something like that. Really nice. This is cool because this could be a playroom. So this is like your little, what would you call this? Like your little kind of TV room, or so your TV room. So you got a TV room here, but both of these doors slide close. Yeah, so both of these close. So you can do total kids play. It could be both the TV room and have some toys and stuff. And if you were having people over, you can close them off. I think that was smart.
Yeah, I think so too. That's great.
Cool. The kitchen's over here, which is beautiful. Look at all the skylights. I like the architecture there. That came out really well. Do you know if they did that?
Yeah, they did.
Oh, there was some addition. There was an addition to the house, wasn't there? On this side of the house, that's the difference in the square footage from what they paid, what they bought. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-person island. Oh, I see. You haven't done the hardware yet.
So
Got it.
Kind of exciting,
Yeah.
because
Oh, interesting.
So that way,
You get to choose what door pull you want.
Exactly. You get to choose what you
Yeah.
like. If you like silver.
Interesting.
That
Cool.
way you kind of feel like you're part of the design too.
And then what's this? Is this marble or is
Yes.
this?
And it's leathered.
It's a leathered. It's not Taj Mahal. What is it? I don't know what it is, but it's beautiful. Is it marble or is it quartzite?
I think it's marble. It's leathered
Okay.
marble.
That's really, really nice. Floating shelves over there, Sub-Zero fridge. And then what am I missing? Okay, so Wolfe range, so you got a double oven, you know, bigger oven there than there. I think this can be converted into more burners if you need. Dishwasher, microwave is over there.
Microwave and a built-in coffee maker.
And then a nice coffee maker. Cool, sweet. And then this is like probably the best view in the house right here. This is like kind of nuts. So just Santa Monica Mountain View. How many feet wide is this door? I have no idea, but it's huge. So I'm sure they put a beam all the way across. Yeah, they had to do that. So the yard space is actually bigger. I'm gonna take you out there later, but the yard space is actually much bigger than I thought. It looks really nice. I mean, this is kind of a kind of over the top feeling when you walk in and you see that view. It's pretty, yeah, pretty amazing. Okay, so over here is kind of like your entry, the homeowner's entry. This is the garage here, laundry's here. I'll show you real quick. So 2-car garage there, storage, whatever you need there. And then there's a back staircase. And then they've got this little built in there, which is cool. So this, I think, is where they added a little bit of square footage. So this is like your upstairs media room. I mean, which could be an over-the-top office if you wanted to, but you know, as the kids get older, I mean, you're gonna love to have like separate spaces. You know, the kids can be downstairs watching Bluey, and you know, you could come up here and relax and watch with a buddy, or vice versa. There's a little office like slash homework area up here, which is cool. Nice views through the windows. Really cool. I mean, it feels like they did a pretty nice job. They did this interesting feature where they floated the drywall off of the baseboards all the way around just to make it kind of feel modern, which is cool. And then upstairs, you've got a sink and a fridge. In here we have 3/4 bath. So these are the exact same finishes throughout the house. So it's got this like kind of natural colored marble. And then I'm not sure if this is travertine on the floors. These are 24 by 12. It might be porcelain, I'm not sure. And then they kind of match the shower. So really clean. And then upstairs there's a bedroom. So this is the first bedroom that you saw, and there's 5 totals. There's 1 upstairs here, there's 1 downstairs off the living room, and then there's 3 bedrooms together, which I'm gonna show you. And then this like really cool view there. You can actually see the 405. This is the only place you can see it in the house, right over there. But this is currently set up as a gym. So, you know, great guest suite. If you have guests that stay here for a long period of time, I think they'll love it because they'll have their own family room, TV area. I mean, you can literally have family members stay here and be in this house and you probably wouldn't even know they're here. So I like that. So that's kind of multi-purpose. All right, now I'm gonna show you the bedroom wing. So powder room here, powder room for guests, white oak cabinetry. So they did a really good job with the cabinetry throughout. All the doors are solid and probably oak. They're very beautiful. And I think all the bedrooms are suites, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so all these bedrooms are suites. You got a linen right here. All built out, which is nice. So first bedroom down here, I like this little soffit lighting thing that it has, which is cool. So is this a double or a queen? Probably a queen size bed. So this is a good size room. Good size room. It's got this little high ceiling effect there, which is kind of cool. And then here's the bath. So again, floating vanity in oak with a similar marble or whatever it is, countertop. And then this one is a shower, same finishes on the floors too, 24 by 12. Do you know if this is travertine or is it porcelain? It doesn't really matter.
I believe
I was just curious.
travertine.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's nice, it's clean. It's kind of, we've gone back to the travertine.
Yeah.
Isn't that wild?
I love that.
Well, it's earthy, it's organic-y looking, you know, it's nice.
Timeless.
Primary bedroom here on the view side, which is where you want it. Second bedroom here, which does feel bigger, probably just because of the way it's oriented. So you walk in here and you've got a closet. Closet's deep, so not bad. I can't remember the closet on the other side. Okay, so this one's just wider and not as deep, but also built out. And then the other one's smaller, but deep.
Yeah.
But deep, okay. And then, again, another quick look at this bedroom. Similar finishes here. Okay, cool. And then primary. I think that's it for the house, right? And then the primary.
The side office as well.
Oh, I did not do the side office. I'm gonna do that and then I'll swing around, yeah. All right, so walk-in closet. See, that's why you gotta be here.
Exactly.
Yes.
It's great because you have a his and hers.
2
which is
walk-ins.
amazing. So
Okay.
2 walk-ins.
Is that his or is that hers? Or his and his, or hers
okay,
and hers?
You know what?
Hers and hers, his and
It's
his,
gonna be this way.
or all hers?
Whoever has the most clothes wins.
Yes, okay.
But it's great. So whomever, but there's 2 different sides, so there's a lot of
Yeah, that's nice. And I like the skylight in there,
I
that's
do
kind of
too.
cool. So wait, was this one bigger?
This one's bigger.
No, this one's bigger. Okay, so we know who that is.
Yeah.
And you
we
got in this
definitely,
little hanging alcove there. Okay, cool. All right, primary bedroom. So the sleeping room is lovely in size. No issues there for me. And then your view, of course, when you wake up in the morning
Yeah, it's just
is that.
gorgeous.
Yeah, you can get, I would do like even sheer, like
Yeah.
a sheer system. That way you're still getting natural light to come
I
in.
love that idea.
Yeah,
'Cause it
yeah.
keeps it clean.
Keeps it
But then you
clean.
wake up and you just like,
Yeah, you
How
want it.
can
You
you be
want it to
stressed
be.
looking at this?
No, you can't. It's ridiculous. All right, cool. And then the primary bath, which is really good size. No problem. So similar floating oak vanity, frameless glass shower, which is cool because it doesn't really have. There's no. Oh, there's a door there. Oh, is that the toilet? Okay, great. Again, see, if I didn't have you, and then a larger floating makeup vanity area there, tub, door to the outside, and then water closet.
I love that you call it water.
Okay, and then I forgot to show you one more space over here. This is bedroom 5, which is, I think, technically or legally a bedroom, but obviously a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
Set up as an office.
Which also has its own restroom and shower.
And with its own restroom and shower.
Yeah. So they're all en suite.
Tell me what you're saying. So you got to tell me what you're saying earlier about how it's nice to like pop outside. So here's your shower and vanity.
Exactly.
And then
So
your little
just in case
office
you decide to
space.
turn this into your office, you're taking a call, maybe you have people over. The beauty also is you can
Pop right outside
you can
this
shut
door.
this
Oh yeah, yeah,
too.
yeah,
And you don't have to hear that
Yeah,
noise and
love
shut
that.
this door.
And then
But
it's
also
more
if you want
quiet.
to Pop out to the backyard.
Pop out to the
You have
backyard.
access this way too.
Yeah. Should we just go this way? Why don't we just
go
go
this
this way? Oh, perfect.
I think we need to do a show together.
We should.
We're on it.
We should. This is just kind of a cool view of the back of the house there. Kind of this cantilevered facade. Really cool.
You have
Yeah.
the built-in barbecue
Yeah.
counter for outdoor dining.
So what do we got here? Okay, griddle. Fridge. And then island. You could easily fit 4 here. Yeah, they've got chairs for 4, but I mean chairs for 3, but you could easily fit 4.
Oh yeah.
Little sitting area there. And trying to give you an idea of how big the grass is, it's actually fairly wide. Much wider than I thought in the photos. So we're probably talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at least a good 20 feet wide. Of course, if you pulled up some of these things, I mean, you can throw a soccer net over there. And then they got this cool deck. So this they kind of put to add a little bit more usable space to the lot because it starts to slope. Oh, I see. Oh, interesting. Yeah, this is spectacular. So property line is what, down there roughly?
It's below this.
It's below that, but
below
like,
that, it's
yeah,
down
there's
that
not
way.
really not gonna do much.
No.
I mean, this is pretty
But if
insane
you know,
of a view.
He extended his deck. So down the road, should he decide to do that? I mean, he just.
Oh,
added all
I
that.
see.
That's
Yeah,
all
yeah, yeah.
extension. Like a
Okay.
viewing deck.
So based on the lot size being larger, what she's saying is, I mean, it would be very costly because it's a very steep slope. Is you probably could push this out even more. I mean, it would be hugely expensive, but you could do that. But I don't think you really need to. There's a view of the back of the house. Again, a Palm Spring vibe. Got these little, on the edges there, kind of discoloration, so I'll have to check that out. But here's your outdoor entertaining space here. There's a jacuzzi and a plunge pool. Is this the plunge pool? I think this is your little plunge guy. And then you've got your little outdoor area here. Jacuzzi. I love how they went wellness. And then they built in a TV here. So it's actually cool. I mean, the amount of space that you have up here to walk around is a little bit limited by the jacuzzi and stuff, but it's still fine. And then the kids eventually will have a high dive. They'll actually love jumping off of this. So anyways, overall, I love the house. I think the house has got a great feel and a vibe. They did a good job. Yeah, so if you want to check it out, let me know. Guys, thanks so much for checking out our property walkthrough tour of this incredible Sherman Oaks home south of the boulevard. If you're interested in checking out more real estate, please subscribe to our channel, download the buyer and seller guide, and hope to connect with you soon.